in any way the larger issue of illegal hunting. Number 6. California wildfires. Wildfires are another example of nature's fury, partly fueled by climate change. Few areas have been as affected in recent years as the state of California. Over the past century, the region has warmed by over 3.5 degrees Fahrenheit, as opposed to the global average of approximately 1 degree. It's worth mentioning that frequent fires are not unusual in the area. That being said, over 20 of the largest fires in the state's history have occurred since the year 2000. A number of scientists have argued that this is a consequence of global warming, since hotter air means drier plants, which burn more readily. The climate-changed air is more effective at drying vegetation than it was a century ago. To make matters worse, climate change may have affected autumn wind patterns, which play a major role in spreading the fires.
What are you doing, you crazy thing?
Offshore winds flow across the state. As this happens, dry air cascades down large mountain ranges, like the Sierras. The downward flow gets channeled into valleys and canyons, thus picking up speed. As these winds pass over flames, they carry them, often yielding devastating results. One prime example is Campfire 2018, the deadliest and most destructive wildfire in the history of California. A faulty electric transmission line ignited the blaze. The east wind carried it downhill towards developed areas. The fire covered an area of almost 240 square miles, generated roughly $16.5 billion in total property damage, and claimed at least 85 lives. The 2018 California wildfire season was unprecedented in destruction. The ongoing 2019 season got off to a relatively slow start, but intensified as winds picked up. As of the making of this video, thousands of fires have already been reported, along with 5 human casualties.